Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is EdCET June 2025 Shift 1 exam paper. So, Telangana EdCET 2025 June paper. Okay, this is Shift 1. So, I will explain you today English paper. Okay, with all grammar rules and reasons why it is correct. Okay, so this is General English paper. 16 questions will be there and section of marks is 20 and all the questions are mandatory. That is, you have to attempt all questions. So here 81 to 85 are comprehension questions. That is, paragraph will be given here. You have to read this paragraph and answer the questions. This from 81 to 85. This look here. From 81 to 85. To 85. These are the questions from comprehension passage. So you have to go through the comprehension passage very carefully and answer the questions. Okay. Now 86th question. Which of the following expression is correct? Here 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct option. This is the preview paper, so already here marking has been done. So in the question paper in your exam hall, there will be no such markings. You have to choose the correct answer. So today we are going to solve this question step by step, not just the answers, but the logic behind each question. Okay, if you understand the rule once, you will never forget it in the exam hall. So stay focused. Okay, let's start. Question number 86. Which of the following expressions is correct? Here 4 options are given. Okay, you have to choose the correct answer. Here go through it carefully and take the correct answer. So the correct answer is children's book. Why children's book? Because children books means books for children or books belonging to children. Okay, children is already a plural now. When we want to show possession, or things belonging to someone, we add apostrophe s to show possession. Like the bag is yours. Okay, so the next one, 87th question. Choose the correct passive form of the sentence. This is the question. They had given the students detailed instructions. Okay, among these 4 sentences, this one is correct. Why? I will answer you now. The reason here is this sentence, had given is in past perfect tense. This is past perfect tense. So rule for passive, past perfect. For this, the passive rule is had been. We have to write in passive form had been. Okay, had been given. Here had given is there. So this sentence is in past perfect tense. And the rule for past perfect tense is you have to write had been given. Had given. It changes to had been given in passive voice. Okay. The students had been given detailed instructions. So here they become the students. Okay. Next. Question number 88. Fill in the blank with appropriate verb form. You know verb, what is verb? Verb means action. In anything the action happens, that is called a verb. The accident took place when she dashed the road. Here the sentence has 2 actions. Okay, first one is the action happened, that is simple past. She was in the middle of crossing, that is the ongoing action. Okay, what is the rule here is when one action interrupts another ongoing action in the past, we use simple past plus past continuous. Okay, so here the accident took place when she dashed the road, when she was crossing the road. This is the correct answer. Okay, next one. Choose the correct verb to fill in the blank. Here, neither the leader nor his followers dash present. Here the correct answer is were. Why? Rule of neither nor is the verb agrees with the subject. The verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. So here the followers. Followers is plural. Okay, so verb must be plural. So we have to write were here. Okay. Next. Question number 90. Find the correct sentence. Okay, 4 options are given here. Among them is the third one is correct. I am planning to attend the wedding party tonight. That is, it is grammatically correct. Okay, so here the third option follows the correct tense structure. Okay, next. Question number 91. Choose the opposite of pragmatic. Here, pragmatic means practical or realistic. So we have to choose the opposite. Opposite means antonym. So the opposite of pragmatic is idealistic. This is the correct answer. Idealistic means believing in ideals, often not practical. Often not practical. If pragmatic is practical, then idealistic is not practical. Okay, next one. So question number 92. Peter's buoyant attitude was the main reason for their appreciation. Choose the meaning of the word underline. We have to find the meaning of this underlined word. So buoyant meaning is cheerful. In this context, buoyant means happy. Happy, lively or cheerful. So the correct meaning is cheerful. Okay, next. 93. Question number. Choose the antonym of the word vivid. You know what is the meaning of vivid? Vivid means bright, clear, lively, strong in appearance. So these are the meanings of vivid. So what is the antonym? Antonym means opposite. Opposite of vivid is dull. Dull means not bright, not interesting, like that. So dull is the correct option. Next, question number 94. Rearrange the following sentences to make logical and grammatical sense. So here 4 options are given. You have to rearrange the correct sentence. Means you have to identify the correct sentence here. Here you know although is a subordinating conjunction. It introduces a subordinate clause, that is although he was ill. This is a subordinate clause. The main clause must follow he went to work. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Next, question number 95. Here, fill in the blanks with suitable homonym. They were traveling for many days and they were completely exhausted, so they wanted to take a dash immediately. Do you know what homonym is? Homonym is a word the same pronunciation as another word, but it has different meaning. But the meaning is different. Okay. So these are, here there is break and break. So the pronunciation is same, but the meaning is different. You know, brake is a device used to stop or slow down a vehicle. Okay. This break is to separate into pieces to stop something or to take rest. So according to our sentence, according to this sentence, the correct answer is break. Means to take rest. 96th question. Choose the correct connective to complete the sentence. Here the question is, the test was challenging, dash, I managed to finish it on time. Choose the correct connective that joins the sentence to complete it. So here the sentence shows contrast. Like the first part, the test was challenging. Okay, it is showing difficulty. And the second part, I managed to finish it on time, shows success despite difficulty. When two ideas are opposite or contrasting, we use but. When two ideas are opposite or contrasting, we use but. So the correct sentence is, the test was challenging, but I managed to finish it on time. Okay, next. Here, question number 97. Choose the correct sentence. Among these 4 options, you have to choose the correct sentence. So correct sentence is, Third one, everyone admired his courage. Okay, next. Question number 98. Find the correctly spelt word. So among these four options, one option is correct with the correct spelling. So here the correct spelling is fourth one, affidavit. You know what affidavit means? It is a written statement. So you have to choose the correct spelt word. Next, question number 99. So here choose the correct form of reported speech of the sentence. You know what is reported speech? Reported speech is also known as indirect speech. Indirect speech. So reported speech means indirect speech. So here you have to choose the correct form of the reported speech. For this reported speech, you have to choose the correct form. I can finish this project by Monday, she said. So the correct answer is option 1. She said she could finish that project by Monday. Okay, when changing from direct to indirect speech, can changes to could. This can changes to could because reporting verb is in the past tense, said. Reporting verb is in the past tense, that is said. So this changes to that. This changes to that. And pronoun I changes to she. Okay. Next. Clear with this? So the 100th question is, no other boy is as dash as Gopal in the class. Here degree of comparison. This question is regarding degree of comparison. You know what are the degrees of comparison? Positive, comparative and superlative degree. Okay, so now here the correct answer is smart, and smart is of positive degree. Positive degree. Why? The structure is as dash as. Adjective. Here this is the adjective, smart. As, smart as. So this is positive degree. Okay. So the correct answer is no other boy is as smart as Gopal in the class. So you know positive degree is the base form of an adjective like smart, tall, beautiful, happy, strong, like that. Okay, thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for regular videos. Hope you find this video helpful.